Everyone talks about passive income, but most advice doesn't actually make you money. The truth? Few strategies consistently generate cash without constant effort, and trying the wrong ones wastes time, money, and motivation. In this video, we're breaking down 5 passive income ideas that actually work, why they succeed where most fail, and how you can start building real, lasting streams of income today. Before we get started, if you want to make money work for you, not the other way around, hit subscribe. This is where practical wealth building gets explained. Number 5. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is one of the most proven ways to earn passive income. When you buy shares in companies that pay dividends, you're essentially getting a portion of their profits sent to you regularly, usually every quarter. The beauty here is that you don't have to do anything after making your initial investment. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and many others have been paying dividends for decades. You can start with whatever amount you're comfortable with through apps and platforms that let you buy fractional shares. The key is to focus on companies with a strong history of paying and increasing their dividends over time. These are usually stable, established businesses. You can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, which then generate more dividends, creating a snowball effect. Over time, this compounds significantly. Many people build portfolios that generate thousands of dollars monthly just from dividends. Yes, you need capital to start, but even beginning with a few $100s and consistently adding to it can grow into something substantial over the years. The stock market has its ups and downs, but dividend-paying stocks tend to be less volatile, and you're getting paid while you wait for growth. Number 4. Creating digital products. Digital products are incredible because you create them once and can sell them unlimited times without any inventory or shipping costs. Think about ebooks, templates, presets, digital art, printables, or online courses. If you have knowledge or skills in any area, you can package that into a digital product. For example, if you're good at budgeting, create a budgeting spreadsheet template. If you know photography, sell Lightroom presets. If you're into fitness, create a workout plan PDF. The platforms make this easy too. You can sell on Etsy, Gumroad, your own website, or through social media. The initial work is in creating the product and setting up your sales page, but after that, sales can happen automatically. Someone buys your product at 3 a.m. while you're sleeping, downloads it instantly, and you've made money without being involved. The profit margins are amazing since there's no cost to produce additional units. Marketing is important, of course. You'll need to promote your products through social media, SEO, or ads, but once you build momentum, sales can become very consistent. Many creators earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s monthly from digital products they created years ago. Number 3. Rental income from property. Real estate rental income is a classic passive income stream that has built wealth for generations. When you own property and rent it out, you receive monthly payments from tenants that can exceed your mortgage and expenses, leaving you with profit. This works with residential properties, vacation rentals, or even renting out a room in your own home. The vacation rental market through platforms like Airbnb has made this even more accessible. You don't necessarily need to own an entire building. Some people rent an apartment long-term and then sublet it short-term for profit, though you need to check local laws about this. The key is finding properties in good locations where rental demand is strong. You'll have responsibilities like maintenance and dealing with tenants, but you can hire property managers to handle the day-to-day stuff, making it more passive. The income is reliable and often increases over time as you raise rents with market rates. Plus, your tenants are essentially paying down your mortgage, building your equity. Real estate also appreciates in value over time in most markets. Yes, it requires significant upfront capital or the ability to get financing, and there are risks like vacancies or property damage. But the wealth-building potential is substantial. Many people start with one property and use the income and equity to buy more, scaling their rental portfolio over time. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by recommending products or services to your audience. You share a unique link, and when someone buys through that link, you get a percentage of the sale, The beautiful part is you're not creating products, handling inventory, or dealing with customer service. You're simply connecting people with solutions they need. This works especially well if you have a blog, YouTube channel, social media following, or email list. You recommend products you genuinely use and believe in, and your audience trusts your recommendations. The income is passive because content you create once can generate commissions for months or years. A blog post you wrote 2 years ago can still be driving affiliate sales today. The commission rates vary widely. Some programs pay 5 to 10%, while others, especially for digital products or services, can pay 30 to 50% or more. Amazon Associates is popular for physical products, while individual companies often have affiliate programs for their specific services. Building this income stream takes time and effort upfront to create content and grow your audience, but once established, it can generate very consistent income. Some affiliate marketers earn 6 or 7 figures annually. The key is choosing products that align with your niche and audience, being authentic in your recommendations, and creating valuable content that helps people make informed decisions. You're not just selling, you're genuinely helping people solve problems. Number 1. Building an online course. Creating and selling an online course tops this list because of its incredible income potential and true passive nature once it's set up. If you have expertise in anything, people will pay to learn from you. The e-learning market is massive and growing every year. Your course could be about anything from cooking to coding, photography to personal finance, language learning to business skills. The process involves planning your curriculum, recording video lessons, creating any supporting materials, and hosting it on a platform like Teachable, Udemy, or your own website. The upfront work is significant. You might spend weeks or months creating your course. But here's where it gets amazing. Once your course is complete and published, it can sell repeatedly without any additional work from you. Students enroll, go through the content at their own pace, and you earn money whether you're awake or asleep, on vacation, or working on other projects. The profit margins are fantastic since there's virtually no cost to enroll additional students. If you price your course at $200 and sell it to 100 people, that's $20,000. Many successful course creators earn 6 or 7 figures annually from their courses. You can even create multiple courses on different topics, building a course business. Marketing matters, of course. You'll need to drive traffic through social media, email marketing, ads, or partnerships. Some platforms like Udemy have built-in audiences but take a larger cut. Your own platform gives you more control and profit, but requires more marketing effort. Passive income isn't magic. It's strategy, consistency, and picking the right paths. Start even one of these ideas today, and years from now, you'll see the difference. If this gave you actionable ideas, like subscribe and share it with someone who wants to make money work for them.